flat and smooth. And then we'll just roll with the roller. We'll roll some truck bed coating on there. Boom, it'll look factory. It'll look great. Well, that's it. That's it for Wednesday, right? It is what it is. We got our aluminum today. We went to Metal Mart and got 4x8 sheet to make our dress-up pieces. It's 060, 3003, 060, or 062, and we'll use some of that as seat pans for that zip cart that we're picking up. We noticed that it's got seat padding in it. It looks like somebody made it themselves. It's not the original seat padding, so that's got to go. And we got a piece of aluminum to make the chain guard for the four-banger. And we got the new door skin for the walk-through door on the trailer today. Went over to Metal Mart and burned $177. Brother Rich sprang for the Metal Mart trip, which is cool. All right, we're all in this together, right? So Brother Rich with as many free rides and whatever go-kart he wants. If he wants to drive my go-kart, I'll let him, because he's a brother. The rest of you, forget it. No chance. Not a chance. You can drive the four-banger, but ain't nobody getting in my go-kart except Blood. That's it. And even then, he's really going to be really, really nice to me. So that's it. Trailer fender done. Off to the dentist tomorrow, packing bags. We're just going to pick up the cart and meet some people. Bruce, Pat, sorry for your loss, brother. I know anytime, folks lose their better half, leaves a huge void. And sometimes Bruce sounds like he's got his head together. He ain't going to fall into any type of delinquency. But still, you can, especially now with this kind of thing going on, you can get depressed real easy. So hang in there, Bruce. Give us a call. You need to vent or just talk or whatever. Give us a buzz. We're always here for you, buddy. We're picking up a set of left-hand drive cart tanks, just like the tanks that are on the vintage cart we're buying, the zip cart we're buying. So we're going to use those on our next project, but that is a secret. Don't tell Sherry. Don't tell Sherry. All right, we'll talk to y'all. See you soon. We'll be back. God bless. Godspeed. Hang in there. We're thinking about you, praying for you.